Hey everybody, I'm CJ from Cooking with CJ on YouTube, and I want to show you something I came up with, a little breakfast sandwich, if you will. My kitchen, this is where we make magic happen. This is where I develop recipes for all my Ninja Foodi grills, all my Ninja Foodi items. We have the new Ninja Foodi XL Smart Pro grill and griddle, and I'm gonna take you through the griddle process of this, and we're gonna make an awesome breakfast sandwich. Whole notion of having an indoor griddle to go along with your indoor grill is something I can get on board with. This is let my imagination run wild, and I want to show you something I came up with, a little breakfast sandwich, if you will. We're gonna have some hash brown buns. We have some nice sauteed spinach we're gonna do on the griddle. Got a nice egg. We're gonna do it a little sunny side up, right? Have a nice runny egg. All right, little hot sauce. It's gonna be amazing. Got some ham, got some Swiss cheese. Guys, this is gonna be an amazing dish, and it's something you do in your very own home with this Ninja Foodi griddle. We have it on the barbecue griddle function. The grill grate's already in there. It's set for 400 degrees at 30 minutes. Looks good to me. We're gonna go ahead and preheat it. We have our two buns already working. What I did was I took some already grated up hash browns and mixed the egg in with them so they'd stay, they'd form to a patty. So we got those browning on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and get this ham on, start working little heats on that. And we already sauteed up some spinach on this griddle, so I'm just gonna reheat it. The last thing we'll do is get that egg cooked, but everything else I wanna have ready to go. Real quick, I wanna add a little acidity, a little heat. So we're gonna add a little hot sauce, whatever your favorite hot sauce is. I'm gonna add that to the spinach and let it saute through there. All right, everybody, we've given our buns enough toasting time on one side. So we're gonna flip them over. Look at this browning, this gorgeous browning that's going on here. This is awesome. It's gonna make a great bun for our amazing breakfast sandwich. All right, everybody, we got our egg going, nice sunny side up. Our spinach is almost done sauteing through. We have our ham on our first bun with a little bit of Swiss cheese on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this spinach to the top of the Swiss cheese. Got all that good flavor. I'm gonna throw one last little bit of cheese on there. We're gonna promote a little melting on this by shutting the lid down. It's just gonna do it for like 10, 15 seconds to melt the top of that cheese or firm up that egg. Just for a couple few seconds. Got a nice little melt on it. Last thing we're gonna do is throw our egg on top. It already broke. Oh, that sucks. All right, so we got a little breakage, but that's what we're looking for here. There you go. Breakfast sandwich with a nice runny egg on it. All right, guys, there's the dish. That Ninja griddle just changed the game. Look at all this goodness right here. I take a bite, but I don't want to make a mess of myself, get stuff in my beard. But I know I want to eat this thing, and we're gonna eat well. Give this one a try. This is an ongoing experiment with this bad boy, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you tune into the videos, and again, comment down below with any of your questions, all right? That's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by.